in this round. I don't think I'm not sure.
Tumumba man ang Filipino fighter, pero binigyan ng magandang laban ang katunggali, mga idol. Tara panoorin natin. Gino Rodrigo ng Pilipinas kontra kay Ruslan Abdulaib. Paglalabanan nila ang super lightweight division. 8 round lang to, mga idol. Wala pong sapat na training ang ating kababayan, mga idol. Mapapalaban ng gusto dito ang ating kababayan.
Found a very champion very soon.
Physically strong.
Good body shot there from Rodrigo.
Rodrigo. That's his hand. Nice straight right hand from up.
The time, that overhand right.
Yeah, you're right. Rodrigo falling off balance.
Yeah, Rodrigo needs to settle down and just kind of.
11 knockouts in his 19.
Very different style than Chakram Giasam, so even differently. But there certainly is an aggressive
Reaction time as well. Been able to get out pretty easily. Time right there.
Maganda ang palitan ng dalawang boksingero. Parehas mabibigat ang mga kamay.
territory. So this is the strategy. Get put them in position to force themselves to world title shots. And look, it's Lars screwed up their plans with Beck. We saw
Set that shot up.
A lot of energy to swing and miss like.
Staying away from those hard shots.
Got to cut off the corner up here. His boxing abilities. He also worked. He has to mix cement
in the U.S. over the last year.
Philippines. They still do it by hand. Rodrigo, as tough as they come. I mentioned he's never been stopped.
It's crazy.
No, Abdulayev.
He didn't just hands go. He loads just way too sharp for that. You're not going to hit him with one.
Rodrigo.
Patuloy ang pakiramdaman ng dalawa at nagsusukatan pa sila ng lakas, mga idol.
Main event, right?
You know, back to back. That's 3. Got a great chin. Digging downstairs. Good adapt.
It's a guy with this. He's setting traps. Not the right punches at the right
So
time.
he's only landed 4 punches over the first 2 rounds. And now he's getting.
You know, he had, and Rodrigo had, you got to set it up with jabs.
Oh, son.
Slower is coming up top because he's fainting. He's
Just win medal after medal like them. Younger guys, one of young fighters from Uzbekistan. It's going to be a dominant.
Boxing in Eastern Europe is Olympics, but over there, whoa, nice right hand lands for searching for that one. For the finally landed.
Nagpakilala ng lakas ang ating kababayan, mga idol. Naalog ang kalaban, pero matibay ito.
Abdulayev putting that offense down low and upstairs.
The skill in Abdulayev. This is a guy that both of Abdulayev's parents are Kazan of his game after.
He gave.
yeah, man. You know, it's like Rodrigo just way too tight, and right here, you know, Ruslan just slip away, going right to the body. Nice left hook.
Wow. Oh, nice left hook. Gino landed a punch too, but he got the worst.
A lot of time left in this round. I don't think from that shot.
What a performance. Can he become the first fighter, Rodrigo? He's put him down once here in the 4th. Might get him.
And he hurts him.
I love that body shot there. He's trying to make Gino.
Might be starting to seep. Gino just trying to make it to the end of the round.
I think it's smart that, you know, Ruslan kind of slow down on the.
Guys willing to take a shot.
Bumagsak ang ating kababayan, mga idol. Nangatog ang tuhod, pero bumangon din agad.
Down before our eyes.
Dealing those body shots too, because they're so Rodrigo doesn't even have a chance to.
5 to 12.
Wow. Abdulayev is throwing shots for Rodrigo.
Never think this is just a second pro fight for Ruslan. As comfortable as you like it there. Look at him.
No, Chris, it's like he sees whatever's coming back, he's slipping, he's just on point.
Rodrigo did punches around. That's one of many, but just skill-wise.
Because he switches the pattern.
Down low. Angles, footwork, speed,
It's got to be frustrating for Rodrigo.
swinging a ghost game.
Back to back. He's always changing it. If the combination's up top, the next combination is going to the body.
Both those shots, clubbing.
Listen for that bell, gentlemen.
Bagyang bumagal ang ating kababayan, mga idol. Medyo iniinda ang sakit na tumatama sa kanya.
From Abdulayev. Still just can't find him.
Perfect, to be honest with you. You know, good jab, good You know, he's really like the whole package.
He's fighting a guy but he's an experienced guy coming off his best F's second pro fight. Guys do not fight someone of this caliber.
He's laying cement.
And he's coming off an upset first round knockout line. Rodrigo just looks a little bit out of sorts. Well, he's still throwing those bombs, but he's missing by a foot, you said, Gabe. But he's long gone. Rodrigo trying it again. Why not go downstairs a little?
Nod his head like, no, I didn't feel that. It's because they fucked that shot.
Cues all fight, but still the round clearly belongs to Abdullah.
Nakarecover na ang ating kababayan mga idol, bumabalik na sa kanyang sigla ang kanyang resistensya.
Yeah, I think
There with a big left hand, and Gino ate it like a champ as they
Hey, you both were wrestling. That's both on both.
match. The boxing has not where power shots landed 70 deep.
A lot of these power shots are this training camp said this guy's really strong, so maybe he's channeling some of that. But I do think Rodrigo a little bit when he hit the canvas. And there we go.
whoa, nice comment. Man, and Ruslan as well showing how he is, man, just dominating him, throwing him around.
Last thing Abdullah needs is a big cut to have to deal with. Wants to get back in the ring as soon as Buz wins.
Man, what's really impressive, man, is when Ruslan the counters.
Yeah.
Man, it's very impressive.
Good body.
Nice body shot.
Oh, big left hook. He's the nose. Control here late. He's trying to get Rodrigo out of there.
Maaring tinatablan si kabayan ng body shot. Malalakas na body shot ang pinapakawalan ng kalaban mga idol. At ilang beses din nire-wrestling ng kalaban ang ating kababayan mga idol.
See if Abdullah goes back down.
Yeah, that body shot took him, got him out.
You gotta love this aggression.
Nice combinations.
Hold on, is Gino throwing another right hand? No. The only question is, can Rodrigo?
Like this, like he's gonna wear, like as he gets a little more mature, gets a little more experience in pro fight.
And Salido was using those aggressive talent. You know, he gained experience from it.
Looks like he could go 12 rounds, no problem.
Time, and I think I got this translation correct. It's the hills, so he's up a hill, and his teammate at different times is carrying him. It's quite the work.
Listen for the bell.
Talo ang ating kababayan mga idol sa unanimous decision. At syempre mga idol, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel ay please subscribe and hit notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video. Thank you!